Hi and welcome back. This is GrindTec 2022 from Augsburg, Germany. So, and GrindTec is really welcoming you here. It's the place where the industry presents its innovations. And here is a personal, professional exchange in the focus, and it really takes place here. So I'm really happy to be here at Hall 5. No, it's Hall 1. Yeah, we're in Hall 1, excuse me very much, where I right now meet Third Wave Solutions. And Third Wave Solutions is represented by, I start with your right, it's Benedict Tim, welcome. He is the expert for technology and applications at Third Wave, so welcome. And in the middle is Saurabh Virkar, and he's product and applications engineer. So welcome here at GrindTec, and thank you for joining us. And just next to me is Julian Lüdecke, and Julian Lüdecke is account manager. So yeah, just take me and our visitors here of GrindTec just a bit in your material, what you're presenting here, what is Third Wave standing for, what are your solutions, and where are you the specialists? So maybe I just hold the phone for you if it's okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Thank you very much for your nice introduction. I'm very pleased that you show our visitors from all over the world across our booth and what we hear as we as Third Wave Systems present ourselves at the very famous GrindTec show this year in the year 2022, after having a really challenging pandemic situation over the past 24 months, not being able to present ourselves in an exhibition style event like this one. And so we are very proud to get in touch personally with our customers. And we as Third Wave Systems, we stand for bold innovation in motion, and we help our customers to dramatically reduce design cycles and reduce manufacturing costs and development costs. How we do this, we use our material modeling technologies, what you can see here on the right hand side from me. You can see a short graph or a picture of our simulation software AdvantEdge. With AdvantEdge you can try out and simulate your cutting tools and try out different cutting tool designs and evaluate them in different materials under different machining conditions to find out which cutting tool design is the very best for your specific process, for your specific application. I'm very proud to have my colleagues with me. Saurabh Virkar is the product manager for our product AdvantEdge, and we are here to celebrate our very latest version of AdvantEdge 8.0. It has an all-new interface, user interface, graphical interface, and it's on fire. So our users, our long-term users, are very happy about this new interface. We had a lot of very nice conversations here, and they are impressed about the solutions. Our technology is mainly used in the aerospace market, using for aerospace engine components, for aerospace structure components, like this blade from the company Lichti, or this is an application we made with another customer from the aerospace industry, aerospace engine industry. It's very hard to machine material, and with our technology you can just try out your manufacturing process in the virtual environment and check out if you can machine or push the boundaries of machining to just increase throughput and reduce your manufacturing costs.
Maybe I also go to Saurabh to your left, and thank you very much, Julian.
Thank you.
Julian just introduced it very good to us what you are presenting here, and to me it sounds like kind of a digital twin technology, because the simulation really works on a real model, but is represented by a digital twin or something like that.
Yeah. So it's I would say it's. The right way to put it is like, materials are becoming expensive, right? And it's going to get more expensive. So if you can simulate something and digitally understand what's happening, then and know the unknowns that you typically cannot measure on the machine, then that's, simulation is the way to go. And as Julian mentioned, we are trying to make it as much easy as possible. So because our users are not necessarily all engineers or like with high-tech degrees. So we try to design interfaces where they can, spend less time on setting up, but spend more time in actually understanding in what's happening and analyzing their designs. So, and on the production module side, as Julian rightly mentioned, programs are being made day in, day out. Again, there are a lot of unknowns that people don't know, so there's a lot of estimation that happens. And when there is estimation, there are errors. So that's where we can help, like to reduce, even if you're approximating something, know what you're doing so that the process can be better, is what I would say.
So the big challenge of the digitalization and working with new technologies is really happening here at Third Wave, isn't it?
Yeah, this is why we call ourselves, or why we call this what we do, Bold Innovation in Motion, because we help our customers or the users who get in touch with us to convert their trial and error testing into the virtual world, and we reduce the number or the amount of just trying out things. Edison probably made more than 100 attempts until he found out which is the best wire to make my light bulb shining. And this is pretty similar in machining. So a lot of customers try different things, try different designs, test the tool here in this material, under this process conditions. And as Saurabh said, especially materials in the aerospace engine market or industry, they are really, really expensive. And if you scratch a part while trying out things you just have in your mind on the shop floor, on the machine tool, that costs a lot of money for the material, that requires a lot of preparation time, requires a lot of machine time to be set up just for testing and starting the production, and you can just transfer it in the virtual environment with our solutions and try out different approaches to your manufacturing process, and that really speeds up time to market for new product introductions and reduces cycle times and increasing throughput. That's what we do, and it's, Saurabh mentioned it, it's very easy to use. You don't need to be a PhD expert on finite element analysis. Both our products, Advantage and Production Module, are designed by engineers for engineers, so you can just put your hands on the software, have for sure a brief introduction, but everyone, probably you could use it straight away. So
Not sure, but I can try, okay.
I believe so.
Okay.
We have very sophisticated engineers who can show you how to use it in the most effective way and reduce errors in your development cycle.
Sounds completely logical to me. And Benedict, you're also presenting tomorrow at the forum a lecture, which will be about what, and maybe you can just give us a short summary what you will presenting there, or give us a short teaser for our audience.
Yeah, thank you. I'm trying to summarize the major key points of our solutions, so software to help the understanding of why different phenomena happen in machining, so a differentiated look into things that you can't measure, as Saurabh mentioned earlier. And I try to highlight this with a few customer examples to give a really good insight and idea what we can do.
Wow. Thank you very much. So this was our short introduction of Third Wave Systems at GrindTec 2022. And if you're interested to get them more to know, just visit them at GrindTec, or look at their website or at LinkedIn, I don't know.
www.thirdwavesys.com. See us, visit us at GrindTec, visit us at AMB, visit us at a lot of open houses throughout this year. Absolutely. Come to our users conference in Detroit this year, International Users Conference, which will happen in May, get in touch with Third Wave Systems directly over our homepage. Thank you.
Not to go too much into the future, just find Benedict Tim tomorrow at the forum here, also at the digital platform of GrindTec 2022. Thank you very much.
Thank you.